Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the car language on your Suzuki. So I'm in a Suzuki eVaterra. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to the settings, and in the settings, go to the system. Now in the system, you should see the language, and as you guys can see, we have the UK English, we got German, we also got a couple more languages like Italian. Also, we get Polish. We also get Russian and much more. So as you guys can see, the choice is big here. Now, of course, I use the UK English here, and you guys can change it to whatever you want. So you can find your own language, and here you can change it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.